guys, it's Melody and welcome back to my channel. I have not done one of these videos in, oh my gosh, I don't even know how long, probably like 6 months or maybe more than 6 months, but I thought I would come back with something that I'm really excited about, and obviously, if you can see from the title, I got a wig pony. So this has been really popular lately. I've been seeing it, or I don't know if it's just my Instagram feed, but I've been seeing it a lot, and since Ariana Grande is like so popular right now, this has been like a hit. And so when I first saw this company have these ponytail extensions, I was so excited because I've always wanted long and thick ponytails. My hair is, I think, normal to thick, maybe, but it's just not as thick and voluminous as I would like. I knew I had to get this when I saw it. So I got this ponytail extension from INH Hair, also known as insert name here, hair. I know it's kind of a tongue twister, I can't even talk, but it looks like this. Comes with a little clip in right here, an extra piece of hair to wrap it, and this long voluminous hair. It's literally the cutest thing I've ever seen. Like, I love it so much, and I actually got one of these extensions like back in January, but I got the wrong color, so they sent me a new one. I hear somebody's here. Kilo's excited. Hold on. Okay, where was I? They have like 8 different colors. Mine is the honey blonde. This is what this one is called. And I got this back in January, but my color was wrong. I got this one, ash blonde, and I thought this would have been my color, but as you can see, it's not. So first what you want to do is put your hair in a ponytail. Okay, I have to put my hair back like this. I like putting my head down to get myself a high pony. And I use a comb and I brush it. So basically, I got the ash blonde color back in January, like the beginning of January, and I never used it because it was not the right color, and I was really sad, but I felt bad if I asked them about it, so I just left it there, and I was like, okay, maybe one day I will get another one, but I didn't until they posted a picture of somebody wearing this ash blonde, and it looked like my hair color, so I was really confused, and I asked them about it. And they were so kind, like literally their customer service was amazing. They literally sent me a new one with this color. And they discounted me like a ton for this because I got the wrong color. By the way, these ponies are $45, which I think is a steal because you can keep this forever. Anyways, basically what you do is make a high pony, and then you clip this onto your head like this. You have your little clip right here. You're just gonna stick it in, and I would recommend not using a really thick hair tie because this might get in the way, but it's still doable if you do. Anyways, clip it on, and they have a little Velcro right here, a little Velcro piece, and just wrap it underneath, and this way. Okay, and then you just take this extra piece that they give you, and you literally just wrap it around your ponytail. And then, oh my gosh, I don't know where my bobby pin went. Found my bobby pin, so take your bobby pin and clip it where the end of that strand was. And ta-da! And that is it. Literally took me like maybe a minute at least. And this is what it is now. And look how long it is. Oh my god. Long and thick. It's so cute. I feel like I can just like whip my hair back and forth. So I would highly recommend their ponytail extensions. They have a straight one, and they just came out with a curly one. I think that one's called Molly, and they have a ton of like other wigs as well, like black, curly, red, blonde. Just a ton. You guys should definitely check them out. I will leave a link in the description down below. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It was literally so simple, and you get this like hella cute Ariana Grande ponytail. I guess that is the end of this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you guys love my pony. I really just can't stop swinging it back and forth. But thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye! Oh, and my dog is back there.